Hi, I'm Mr. Hyde. Welcome to my hobby workshop. You know, I've been involved in the hobby, in gaming, in modelling, and collecting for a very long time. And I have a house, I have the studio and a workshop packed with useful and interesting things. Some are ancient, like this 120-year-old board game based on the Boer War. And some are more recent, like this little pin vise that I bought just a couple of weeks ago, and I've been using it all the time. It's been fascinating to watch this hobby of ours grow and evolve over the last 70 years. New tools and equipment, new techniques and methods, things like epoxies and speed paints and 3D printing, etc. And new games and new rule systems and new mechanics. We've seen the rise of interesting things like game books. These from Lambo I really like. The Rangers of Shadow Deep, a fascinating system that I play quite a lot of. And in the board game world, Pavlov's House, a brilliant solo designed by David Thompson. We've seen RPGs, we've got Warhammer, bolt action, Gundam modelling, and of course the huge renaissance in the board game industry as a whole. A lot of my episodes will be reviews, products I like and use around my studio to enhance my hobby and game time. But I will also look at rule systems and games that have perhaps just come out, things like Baron's War or Pillage that I've been exploring recently, and new sculpts from, say, Victrix or War Games Atlantic. I might even give you a peek onto my workbench every now and then to show you what I've been working on. So if this all sounds good to you, why don't you give us a thumbs up or perhaps even subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on future episodes. I'll see you then.